first of all, we would like to say big thank you to everyone, and we just reached yesterday 1,000 subscribers, so we are so excited.
Thank you so much, guys. Keep it up.
Alright, so we arrived to the single fin bar, restaurant, club, and what's the name of the Blue Point Beach?
Blue Point Beach. We already arrived in the Blue Point Beach. As you see, some of the restaurants are closed, and yeah.
It's actually kinda quiet, I could say. As you can see,
there's lots of surfers coming, but today we can't see anything.
And let's go to this place and see how it is. And it's quite windy, so should be nice wave and probably many surfers. Let's see.
So actually that single fin's still closed. I don't think that we can't go. Maybe let's go down to the beach and see how it is.
So as you can see behind me, everything is closed or almost closed. There is something open, but yeah, it's very quiet. Some surfers. I will show you around. Some shops, farms are open, but as you can see, how you doing, guys?
Woo, sick, bruh. Yeah, what's up?
If you've never been here, this beach is very famous because of this spot, the cliffs, rocks. It's very nice sand as well, many caves, and like this one. Anyway, check this out, guys.
Alright, so this is called Blue Point or Suluban Beach actually. They call it Suluban Beach because whenever you go down and then you're facing that huge kind of big rocks here, you have to be sneaking like this. Like in Balinese, Suluban means sulub means like you sneaking.
Let's go there or there. Somehow let's try. What do you think, Sam?
Yeah, let's see how it is.
Are you scared?
No.
Yes, over there. We can come over here. Sneaking. Oh my god.
isn't it? Yeah. Look at the white sand, blue ocean. Wow.
Okay, let's go back. You have to watch over your head. Whew, I nearly dropped the camera. Anyway, I forgot to tell you, this place is super famous for the surfers because of the big wave and the access to the beach. So many surfers, and yeah, this is how it is. Are you tired?
Wow.
Yeah.
Going up to the stairs.
Anyway, everything is almost closed, so not much we can show today anymore. And we're gonna go to different place. And let's see. You saying?
Right.
You wanna be on the vlog, guys? How you doing?
Yeah, very good.
Corona vibe, yeah?
Jigga jigga. Corona vibe. Corona vibe. Jigga jigga.
Alright, so we arrived to the new place. Winnie is already looking into the menu over here. Check this out, this place. Tired?
Yeah. So finally I arrived in the restaurant so I can chill out, order drink, maybe look around there,
Yeah.
shopping somewhere. So I order cassava with the, I don't know, Japanese sauce something.
And coffee.
It's beautiful.
Oh, they have a very nice stuffs.
Yeah.
Look at this crystal.
Look at the big crystal. So what the future brings, simsalabim.
Okay, so after the short break, having coffee and everything, well, we got really hot actually being in the previous place, going up, so tiring. It's so hot as usual. And now we are in this place called Mana and
Uluwatu Surf Villa.
And we're gonna have a walk to see the place. This is actually the kind of private villas, hotel resort villas, close to the cliff. We're gonna have a walk and we're gonna show you guys around how it looks, the place. But
Yeah, let's see.
anyway, that's all behind us. This is the banana trees, and It's quite cool.
Yeah.
Well, we have to come back because the access to the beach is actually closed in this place. So sorry guys, next time.
Alright, so I already finished swimming and I already took a shower. Wow, I feel so good. Anyway, I would like to say thank you that you guys already subscribed me. 1,000 subscribers.
Thank you so much, guys.
Keep it up, keep watching us
And we will
again.
pushing and pushing and pushing every day. New vlog, new video.
Yes.
So stay tuned. If you didn't subscribe yet, do it now.
Yeah. Okay, I think that's all our activity for today. Thank you for following us. And then don't forget to subscribe, you like, comment. And then
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.